Premiumbeat.com. 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 Premiumbeat.com.
here we go. I'll make this quick. Earlier, laptop died. But yeah, so Nvidia crushed it. Nvidia absolutely crushed earnings. Beat earnings per share. The EPS by 50 cents. Beat revenue by $2 billion. Damn. 1.67 trillion market cap. Had overall good earnings today. Got a lot going on tomorrow. Looking at Nvidia, still pushing up. It's going to take the SPY with it. Let's see. We're down here. Right on trend, too, might I add. Following the trend nicely. And that's what is at the Dow Jones theory. What's in object in motion? Same as physics. Whatever object in motion must stay in motion until otherwise affected by some kind of source. So in this case, we were staying in motion. We were following that trend triangle. Then earnings came. Well, we hit this, whatever this line that's marked here. Not sure if there's any significance there because that did start before earnings. Either way, Nvidia just absolutely crushed earnings. As you know, it was released after market close. So everything that's happening right now is in the after hours. Tomorrow's going to be crazy. Crazy. Up 22% from previous quarter, 265% from last year. Earnings per share up 33% from previous quarter, up 765% from last year. Accelerated computing and generative AI have hit the tipping point, demand surging worldwide across companies, industries, and nations. Increasingly diverse drivers. Massive PC platform. Let's see, outlook. Revenue is expected to be plus or minus 2%. Got margins 76%. Damn. Damn. So, I'm trying to make this where you guys can hear this. I can't remember how I did it last time. Yo. Come in.
At this time, I'd like to welcome everyone to the NVIDIA's fourth quarter earnings call. All lines have been placed on mute to prevent any background noise. After the speaker's remarks, there will be a question and answer session. If you would like to ask a question during this time, simply press star followed by the number 1 on your telephone keypad. If you would like to withdraw your question, press star 1 again. Thank you. Simona Jankowski, you may begin your conference.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to NVIDIA's conference call for the fourth quarter and fiscal 2024. With me today from NVIDIA are Jensen Huang, President and Chief Executive Officer, and Colette Kress, Executive Vice President and Chief Financial Officer. I'd like to remind you that our call is being webcast live on NVIDIA's Investor Relations website. The webcast will be available for replay until the conference call to discuss our financial results for the first quarter of fiscal 2025. The content of today's call is NVIDIA's property. It can be reproduced or transcribed without our prior written consent. During this call, we may make forward-looking statements based on current expectations. These are subject to a number of significant risks and uncertainties, and our actual results may differ materially. For a discussion of factors that could affect our future financial results and business, please refer to the disclosure in today's earnings release, our most recent Forms 10-K and 10-Q, and the reports that we may file on Form 8-K with the Securities and Exchange Commission. All our statements are made as of today, February 21st, 2024, based on information currently available to us. Except as required by law, we assume no obligation to update any such statements. During this call, we will discuss non-GAAP financial measures. You can find a reconciliation of these non-GAAP financial measures to GAAP financial measures in our CFO commentary, which is posted on our website. With that, let me turn the call over to Colette.
Thanks, Simona. Q4 was another record quarter. Revenue of $22.1 billion was up 22% sequentially and up 265% year-on-year, and well above our outlook of $20 billion. For fiscal 2024, revenue was $60.9 billion and up 126% from the prior year. Starting with data center. Data center revenue for the fiscal 2024 year was $47.5 billion, more than tripling from the prior year. The world has reached a tipping point of new computing era. The $1 trillion installed base of data center infrastructure is rapidly transitioning from general purpose to accelerated computing. As Moore's law slows while computing demand continues to skyrocket, companies may accelerate every workload possible to drive future improvement in performance, TCO, and energy efficiency. At the same time, companies have started to build the next generation of modern data centers, what we refer to as AI factories, purpose-built to refine raw data and produce valuable intelligence in the era of generative AI. In the fourth quarter, data center revenue of $18.4 billion was a record, up 27% sequentially and up 409% year-on-year, driven by the NVIDIA Hopper GPU computing platform, along with InfiniBand end-to-end networking. Compute revenue grew more than 5x, and networking revenue tripled from last year. We are delighted that supply of Hopper architecture products is improving. Demand for Hopper remains very strong. We expect our next generation products to be supply constrained as demand far exceeds supply. Fourth quarter data center growth was driven by both training and inference of generative AI and large language models across a broad set of industries, use cases, and regions. The versatility and leading performance of our data center platform enables a high return on investment for many use cases, including AI training and inference, data processing, and a broad range of CUDA accelerated workloads. We estimate in the past year, approximately 40% of data center revenue was for AI inference. Building and deploying AI solutions has reached virtually every industry. Many companies across industries are training and operating their AI models and services at scale. Enterprises across NVIDIA AI infrastructure through cloud providers, including hyperscales, GPU specialized, and private clouds, or on-premise. NVIDIA's computing stack extends seamlessly across cloud and on-premise environments, allowing customers to deploy with a multi-cloud or hybrid cloud strategy. In the fourth quarter, large cloud providers represented more than half of our data center revenue, supporting both internal workloads and external public cloud customers. Microsoft recently noted that more than 50,000 organizations use GitHub Copilot Business to supercharge the productivity of their developers, contributing to GitHub revenue growth accelerating to 40% year-on-year. And Copilot for Microsoft 365 adoption grew faster in its first 2 months than the 2 previous major Microsoft 365 Enterprise Suite releases did. Consumer internet companies have been early adopters of AI and represent one of our largest customer categories. Companies from search to e-commerce, social media, news and video services, and entertainment are using AI for deep learning-based recommendation systems. These AI investments are generating a strong return by improving customer engagement, ad conversation, and click-throughs rates. Meta, in its latest quarter cited more accurate predictions and improved advertiser performance as contributing to the significant acceleration in its revenue. In addition, consumer internet companies are investing in generative AI to support content creators, advertisers, and customers through automation tools for content and ad creation, online product descriptions, and AI shopping assistance. Enterprise software companies are applying generative AI to help customers realize productivity gains. Early customers we've partnered with for both training and inference of generative AI are already seeing notable commercial success. ServiceNow's generative AI products in their latest quarter drove their largest ever net new annual contract value contribution of any new product family release. We are working with many other leading AI and enterprise software platforms as well, including Adobe, Databricks, Getty Images, SAP, and Snowflake. The field of foundation large language models is thriving. Anthropic, Google, Inflection, Microsoft, OpenAI, and xAI are leading with continued amazing breakthrough in generative AI. Exciting companies like Adept, AI21, Character AI,